Hello and welcome to Cooking Corner. Today's recipe is spicy onion egg fry. It is also called as egg bhurji or egg puttu, etc. So let's get started. The ingredients I've used are: I have used a cup of finely chopped onions. You can also use a medium-sized finely chopped onion. 4 eggs. These are room temperature and medium-sized. A handful of coriander leaves, finely chopped. 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. A little bit of coriander for garnish. 1/8 of a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And 6 to 7 green chilies. You can slit them if you'd like it to be a little more on the spicier side. You can also adjust the number of green chilies as per your taste. So here I have taken a medium-sized pan and we will switch on the flame and we will adjust the flame to medium to high flame. We will allow the pan to dry completely and we will heat it very slightly. In the meantime, we will add 4 tablespoons of regular oil. You can also use olive oil for this recipe. You can use any type of oil for this recipe. Now we will heat the oil slightly, and next we will add the finely chopped onions. This recipe is a very delicious recipe and very healthy at the same time. You can make it in minutes at home. Now we will saute the onions till they are nice and golden. We need not brown the onions. You can also keep it partially raw. It's completely dependent on your taste. In the meantime, we will also add the green chilies and the coriander leaves, along with the salt and the turmeric powder. And we will give it a good mix. And now we will allow the onions to cook really well for at least a minute or so that the flavors gel well with each other. It gives an absolutely delicious flavor. Please make sure you keep stirring it in between while the onions caramelize. Otherwise it might burn in the bottom. Now we can see that the onions are turning slightly golden on the sides, and this is the right time to add the eggs one by one. And please make sure you do not reduce the flame. And now we will increase the heat to high flame and we will start Mixing the eggs gently. Please make sure you do not scramble it too much. We just need to cook it till the eggs are nice and done. You can also make this recipe on a tawa or a kadhai as well. It tastes absolutely delicious. Now we can see that the eggs are almost done. We just need to cook it for another minute and it will be nice and ready to serve. So we can see that our eggs are nice and done. Now it is time to switch off the flame and serve this delicious dish hot. So here is the absolutely delicious and tasty egg burji or spicy onion scrambled eggs. It goes absolutely delicious with puris, parathas, chapatis, etc. It goes best with bread as well. You can also serve it with dal rice or rasam rice or anything as such. It goes best with rice as well. Now today's question of the day is what to do if chili or chili powder is added more in egg burji and it becomes very spicy. Send in your answers in the comment section below. I will give a big shout out to all the winners who got the right answers. Thank you for watching Cooking Corner. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such delicious videos. Thank you.